Good morning, everyone. My name is SANYA TOGATOROP. I am from Business Administration International class. And today I would like to present you guys a product that is called Just Water. Introduction. What is Just Water? Just Water is a 100% mountain source spring water and plant-based packaging. It came from a crisp, pure spring water from the Adirondack Mountains in New York. And 88% of the carton originates as plants. The trees used for the paper and sugarcane are used to make the cap, shoulder, and layers of the carton. The result is a 74% reduction in carbon emissions compared to plastic bottles. Now, what's the difference between just water and regular bottled water? Well, one of the difference is in the water. Just water use a mountain spring water, where regular bottled water, they sometimes use purified water. Now, spring water usually refers to water that's drawn from underground springs, filtered and bottled. For just spring water, that process starts in the Adirondack Mountains in the Glens Falls, New York watershed. At just processing facility, the water then passes through a series of filtration steps to remove any impurities, and that's all. Under the mountain landscape, the water absorbs its natural mineral and pH content from the rocks over which it flows, making it better for your body, and not to mention, much tastier. Now, meanwhile, purified water refers to water that's been processed until it contains 10 parts per million or less of dissolved solids. The process removes all the chemicals, bacteria, sediment, metals, and minerals from the water, leaving it flavorless and also devoid of any of the minerals essential to your health. There are lots of ways to get water to the States, such as reverse osmosis, distillation, ion exchange, and etc. And all of them are expensive and also produce both solid waste and wastewater and require a lot of usually non-renewable energy. You can see the picture on the left. It is the machine that is used to purify the water. Now, why do Just Water choose spring water? Just is not purified water because purifying tap water is inefficient and a huge waste of water and energy. Instead, Just is a flavorful spring water with naturally occurring mineral and pH content. It is pumped from a reliable, plentiful source in the United States, as in 3 billion gallons a year, plentiful. And ultimately, we choose spring because it's better for you, better for the planet, and better in general. Now, you guys must be wondering, why should I buy Just Water? Well, I'll show you the reason why. One, it is sustainably sourced. Just still spring water comes from a watershed in the foothills of the Adirondack Mountains in upstate New York. It contains 3 billion gallons of water, replenished annually from rain and snowfall. The community only uses about half the water available, and Just Water bottle a fraction of the excess and support the local community by doing so. Just Water are proudly a B Corp certified. The next reason is Just Water use a eco-friendly plant-based carton. Just Mountain Source Still Spring Water comes in carton that's made from mostly plants. Paper are made from trees that is grown in FSC certified forest and is used to make the carton. The cap is made of a bioplastic that started out as a sugarcane, and plants pull carbons out of the air as they grow and they can be replanted. They are renewable, and that's what makes the carton the best option for our delicious still water. Just Water is also BPS and BPA free. The next reason is Just Water has a naturally high pH. Naturally pH 8 means good taste and good for you. Just still has a naturally occurring pH of 8.0 because it's pristine spring water that collects its mineral from the mountains where it flows. not from some super processed powder added to the water before it's bottled. A pH of 8 means our water contains minerals like magnesium and calcium, which make it good for your body and make just crisp, pure, and delicious. And just water is also 100% recyclable alternative to plastic. Recycled cartons can be used for everything from tissues to paper towels to building materials. Now, all of you must be wondering, who is the man behind Just Water? Well, the man behind Just Water is Jaden Smith. Some of us know him as an actor and a singer, and the son of an actor, Will Smith. Well, Just was inspired by Jaden's quest to do better. While learning to surf, a 10-year-old Jaden Smith saw a plastic bottle floating next to him in the water. Unable to shake the image of plastic polluting the Pacific, he decided to do something. What began as an introduction to the impact humans have on the environment became a Smith family obsession to the good. Now, all of you must be asking, well, where can I buy Just Water? In Indonesia, there is no retail store that sells Just Water, same as some other countries, except for the United States and Australia. But we can buy it through online platforms such as Tokopedia, Amazon, etc. That's all for my presentation. Thank you. And if you're having a question, you can email it to me. Thank you.